Hi y'all, back at you with another video. Armory Dozier. And today we're just gonna do something simple, real quick, easy peasy breezy, colored girl. We are going to learn how to change gears, all right? And that's simple. It's really simple. You wanna just make sure your hand is on, always on the clutch. Whether you know if you're in neutral or not, it's always just safe rather than sorry. So make sure your hand is on the clutch. And then you're gonna take your foot, put your foot underneath this. It's called a gear shift. And then you can go up, down, up, down. I know for a lot of bikes you gotta go a certain speed before you can get to like the higher gears. I wanna say every bike. Or else it'll cut off on you. So fun fact. So if you wanna go like higher gears, you'll know when you need to go higher because the bike will start making like loud noises and you're like, you gotta switch gears. You need to go higher because if you stay in the first gear, you're probably only gonna go like 5 to maybe 15, 25. If you stay in like second gear, you may go to 25 to maybe 35, 45. Third and above, 50, 60, highway speeds. So you always want to make sure you're going fast enough because if you're not, it'll cut off on you. The bike will cut off. So that's how you change gears. So remember when changing gears, you want to make sure your hand remains on the clutch, and if you're going down, you might want to slow down. Like if you're going from a high gear to a, say if you're going a 3 to like 1, you're going to want to also slowly but progressively pull in your brake as well. So you at 65, 75. You're going to bring in the clutch, slowly, bring in the clutch, and then slowly bring in the brake. Go down, put your foot on the lever to 1. You can also use the back brake as well. You also want to make sure you're using both brakes. That's big key. Because the back brake, which is here, it helps with a lot of turns too. So if you use the back brake and the front brake, it'll help you slow down faster. But if you just use the front brake, you could wear out your brake a lot sooner. You're gonna wear out your brake a lot sooner if you just use the front brake. You want to use both in combination. I want to say one of the brakes has the majority of the stopping power, but you want to use both brakes because it'll slow you down faster and you can switch gears faster. All right, take care. You hear?